Yes, sir. We back at it again, baby. What up?
What are you doing?
You just scared the shit out of me.
My bad.
I was scaring the shit out of him because I thought he was actually going to hit him for a second.
No, I wasn't gonna hit your car. It looked like you already hit somebody anyways.
You
I
are?
like that jacket.
Yeah.
Very fashionable.
Appreciate it.
Very successful.
Check out the freshies.
Oh my God!
Oh, you on TikTok?
Yeah, I saw him on TikTok.
Alright, see you. Here's your boy Darius, and I'm back again with another video. How you guys doing today? Hope today is going great, and if not, watching this video will make things 10 times better. We're back in again with another video, man. I hope you guys are really enjoying these videos right now, because let me tell you something. I am loving the videos right now. You already know the vibe. Right now, we're finna go right over here. We are about to go over here real quick and just go through this little trail area. It is like 50 degrees outside, so my nuts are freezing. I'm out here in shorts like an idiot. This is the spot where I came through when I rode this bike to school. You guys let me know if I should ride my stock mod bike to school one day. Just how I did on the first day of school. That water looks so disgusting. But nah, ow. Alright, we're about to go back and actually get the purpose of this video done with before it gets too dark, because I do have to go somewhere in just a little bit. Let's see how fast I can make it in between these trees and see if I hit one or not. Look at that hawk. Oh, he had a dead squirrel. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Did I just catch that on camera? Wait, I gotta go look at the food. Where did, oh my gosh. That hawk killed that squirrel. That's crazy. I did not, oh, we got a cop. I did not expect to see that. There's a cop, y'all. Oh my gosh. He didn't turn on his lights. So, let me just kind of come over here real quick and explain to you guys what's going on. So if you guys remember, I don't even know how many videos back, but a few videos back, I made a video where I was doing a construction site versus, you know, the pitter. Ever since then, they have been working, and they have brought in a lot more dirt and a lot more machines, just a lot more of everything. They have completely changed the whole area. It really does look different from the last time I was over there, and I just want to go back over there and check it out because I saw this humongous mound of dirt. And bro, bike dirt, you already know the vibe. We have to go check it out and see what's popping. All right, we're in. Hopefully we do not get caught. Let's kind of get back here to where nobody can see me, let's kind of get back here to where nobody can see me. This right here. Oh my gosh, what is that? What is that? Oh, I thought that was like really hard dirt. What they got going on? Oh, what happened to my mulch pile? Bro, what was that? It's all in my shoe. Oh, that's slippery. That is slippery. I have mud all up my pants. Look at this. That is nasty. gotta get over there. Maybe this loops around. And no, I don't think it loops around. We need to get over there. Let's go up this big top dirt pile. Holy crap. Imagine, I would never get my bike up out of there if I dropped it in there, y'all. This video is already off to a crazy start. Oh gosh, let's try and make it up that. Holy crap. Yo, we made it up here. That is lit. That is so lit. Should we go down it? Nah, I'm gonna pass on that. Let's go back there real quick. Oh yeah, this looks awesome. Guys, this is so much better than last time. I swear, there's a lot more, like they dug a little bit more. So this is way much better. Just a little bit more and then we got to dip. Can't be here for too long. That's crazy. Nice little berm here. Much fun out here, man. love this, baby. This is what I'm talking about, man. Yes, sir. Hey, yo. This is Liddy. I'm so pumped to be out here right now. We have to get something for the Instagram. Taking too long to get a picture. Calling my name, baby. Calling my name. All right, we gotta hit it from this way. Yes, sir. Ah, ha, ha, ha. All right, one last time going the opposite way.
In the arms of the angel, fly.
Time to head out, baby. Now, let's just make it home. Woo! Yes. It was Liddy, Tyler. Oh, I got a little branch with me. Oh.
I'll see y'all later.